Hey guys, I was just going to go ahead and make a video so that I could show you all the best way to use your samples. So for most of you guys, you all are going to get the volumizing samples, the volumizing conditioner or shampoo conditioner, and I'm also going to send a mask. It doesn't come with the volume line, but it's a really great thing to use to be able to just have extra um, help for your dry ends or just to kind of restore some of that broken hair. And then I'm also going to send a sample of the Rejuvenate oil, and it is awesome. So I'm going to walk you through sort of how to use this. And if I send you something other than the volumizing that you might need more hydration because you have dry hair, I'll explain that too. So first, everybody's going to get the oil, and it's going to come in a foil package like this. So the best thing to do, because it's you don't want to waste it because it is so good. Instead of tearing it open, it's been recommended to just like poke a hole. You might want to do like a safety pin or even just some scissors. And then when you do it, take your finger, just each one, and each finger kind of just rub it. And then you're going to just kind of rub it all through your hair. So the way I would use this is the night before you're going to wash your hair, at least 10 or 15 minutes before you go to bed. Then it won't leave any oil because it soaks it in. It won't leave any oil on your pillow. So just maybe 30 minutes before bed or whatever, just take it, rub it all the way through. You're not going to use the whole package. And then let it sit. And then the next day you can use your shampoo. So this is the volumizing shampoo. You might get the hydration that I send you. But what you're going to do is you're going to get your hair wet. Literally, when you open this should get you 2 washes. But you will use no more than the first time. You're going to wash it twice. First time is probably a nickel size. Kind of get it, rub it together in your hands, get it wet. Start at your roots and just work it all the way through. And it says on the package to let it sit about 2 or 3 minutes, but the stylists out there that have used it said you could, I know, being moms, you don't have that much time, so you can leave it for a minute. Leave it on your hair for a minute, then rinse it. It is not going to sud the first time, which most shampoo always suds, and that's going to be weird. But so many of the shampoos out there have so many chemicals that's why they're sudding. But it is not going to sud the first time because it is breaking up so much junk that's in our hair. And especially if you've used the oil the night before, that oil is not going to allow it to sud. So it's not going to sud that first time. It is literally getting in your follicles, getting your hair, getting all of that out. So that's the first time. So let it sit for a minute. Second time, wash it. Use about a quarter size this time. Same thing, start at the roots, wash it, leave it in for about a minute again, and then rinse it out. So then you have 2 choices. If you have the hydration line, you're going to get probably a leave-in conditioner. But if you're on the volume line, you're going to get the volume conditioner and I'm throwing in the volume mask. So what I would do the very first time, I would do the mask if you have time. So once you have sort of squeezed your hair out, this replenish mask, you use it, same way with the conditioner. Kind of when you grab your hair, grab it and really just work it through the ends and then work your way up to your scalp because obviously conditioner, you're going to want more at the ends. So the replenish mask, same way. Start, really work it at the ends and then work its way up. And try to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before you rinse it out, if you can do that. And then this is only to be used like maybe every 3 or 4 days. So if you wash it the first time, use the replenish mask, and then if you wash your hair the next day with the shampoo, then use the conditioner the next time. That only needs to be left in for like 2 or 3 minutes if it's the rinse out conditioner. So, but if you have the leave-in conditioner, I'll talk to you differently about that. And then when you get out of the shower, do not towel dry your hair. I mean, I have always scrubbed my hair, but that just completely damages the follicles. So just really don't scrub it. So just kind of towel dry it, squeeze it out, dry it, style it as normal. Since I've started this, I have always used hair thickener and mousse, and I haven't used anything since I've started it. So if you can, go without any product for that very first time just to see how it feels. And if you have extra oil that you want to use, dab it and just kind of run it through your hair after you have dried it and everything. So anyway, I hope you like it. And if you do, let me know. If it's not the right product, we can get you a different sample. So just to recap, night before, dab this on your fingers, run it through at least 10 to 15 minutes before bed. Shampoo, always shampoo it twice. First time, a nickel size, leave it on for a minute, rinse. Second time, quarter size, leave it on for a minute, rinse. It will not sud the first time, it should sud the second time. Then the mask, if it's your first time using it, use the mask. Leave it for 10 or 15 minutes, rinse it out. Then the next day, if you want to use it, like I said, it should give you about two washes worth. Use the conditioner the next day, leave it in for maybe 2 minutes, and then rinse it out. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy it.